Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here, doing a tool review. This is a one video tool review. I just bought this little Porta-Cable. It's got a cutting blade right here. And it also has a sanding attachment as well. Now, I'm not too big on gadgets and all, but I said, well, I'd give it a try. It was normally on sale for a little north of 80 bucks. I got it for about 45. It was on sale, so I said I'd give it a try. But I'll show you what I've done with it and what it'll do. I'll be right back. I'm going to plug it up and get a board set up. It may not seem like it cut all the way through the 2x4, but it will very easily. This is a windowsill I replaced, and I use that to cut everything on here and join everything together and sand everything down to make a smooth transition on this. I got to get this Porta-Cable A+. It's money well spent. I want to thank everybody for stopping by. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, and come back to see me. God bless.